Hello students, today we are going to start with the subject computer organization and architecture. Now first, before starting the subject, once we have to understand in this introductory lecture that what is computer organization and what is architecture. What is the difference between computer organization and architecture? This is a very basic question being asked in various Viva questions during the engineering Viva and needs to be addressed before starting with the subject. So let us see first what is an architecture. Architecture refers to those attributes of a system that has direct impact on logical execution of the program, which means these attributes are very much visible to the programmer. It has direct impact on the logical execution of the program. For example, we can take example. For this, the first example would be instruction set. Second example for this can be the input output mechanisms that are available. Third example we can take is the memory addressing techniques. That are available, the memory addressing techniques that are available. So these are the things that are already present and which are very much visible to the programmer, and these attributes have a direct impact on logical execution of the program. Now what does then organization means? Organization refers to all the operational units and their interconnections that realize the architectural specification. Now these are the architectural specifications. Organization in this, it refers to the operational units and their interconnection that realize the architectural specification. Now how the architectural specifications work. For example, the control signals being used, let us see one by one. We'll take the actual examples as well. The second example would be interfaces between the computer peripherals. The third example can be the memory technology being used. These three comes under the organization. These three comes under the architecture. Again, we will repeat this thing. Here, architecture refers to something, the attributes that has direct impact on logical execution of the program, whereas organization refers to operational units and their interconnections that realize the architectural specification. For example, into the architecture, we see instruction sets, input output mechanisms, and memory addressing techniques. In organization, we have control signals, interfaces between the computer and the peripherals, and the memory technology being used. One point here would be architecture refers to something. First thing, the attributes that are visible. To programmer. An organization refers to something. How are architectural specifications implemented. Or you can also say, how are these functions implemented? Fine. For example, everything we understand very much clearly when there is a clear example. So whenever we say, is there a multiply instruction available? This issue, that whether there is a multiply instruction available or not, is an architectural issue. Whereas if there is a multiply instruction, then how is it implemented? Is it implemented using a hardware unit, a separate hardware unit for multiplication? Or is it implemented using repeated addition? This kind of issue is an organizational issue. Another example you can take is, all our 8086 family processors have same basic architecture, whereas all of 8086 family processors have different organization depending upon the version. So I hope the concept of the difference between computer organization and computer architecture is clear with you. Thank you. We'll meet again in our next concept, in our next lecture. Thank you for your time.